So I'm watching the PBA Obstacle Challenge featuring big men. Now we're in the semifinals, the last pairing between Yusuf Taha and Gabby Espinas. Check this out.
Gusto niya ba disqualify lahat ng kaharap?
Kasi Espinas at dati nagkakampi sa PCU, yun ang tinitiwan niya. And ito si Taha behind Espinas, left-handed stab.
So makikita mo talaga dribbling skills rin ito mga big men ako.
Hindi na dribble ni Taha.
Oo.
Tapos kay Espinas.
So Gabby Espinas is going to the finals, and now we're gonna get into the finals. This is an interesting all-star event because they're featuring big man. Yeah, actually one of the biggest men in Philippine basketball, Beau Belga, the fattest guy, is in the finals. Actually, here are the finalists. So it's between JP Aram, Beau Belga, and Gabby Espinas. Now, who will be the winner? The good thing about this event is that it's showing the Filipinos that, you know, our big men also knows how to dribble, how to pass. They have talent. They can run a fast break and even hit an elbow jumper. So it's although normally this event is dominated by guards, but so far I've seen the big men really doing well. Yes, for me the finals, Beau Belga has been showing his dribbling skills, but yeah, his former teammate Gabby Espinas and college teammate, the PCU Dolphins, is also, I think he has ball skills, but JP Aram is quite a surprise. I mean, the lean center is fast as well. So now, here's the finals.
Sa isang season na hindi masyadong maganda so far sa Blackwater, dito second conference Yun, pwede ka pala sumala.
Pwede ka na sumala, pero usually talaga yung finish dapat okay na yung mga big man dyan. O tayo pasa.
Ito yung sinasabi mo, time base at this jump shot. Just about here, ayaw. And he's now running 2 and 30. Knocks it in.
So he finished in 29.6 seconds. He missed the layup, and I think it was a good run, but yeah, he missed an easy layup. So now it's Beau Belga's turn.
So 29 seconds.
He's having a hard time in the cold rail. Nice layup. Good pass.
Sigurado siya sa pasa. Tingnan mo,
good. Free throw. Nice shot. Wow, that was very fast.
That should be the
it's a hard to beat time.
21.7
seconds. Not bad. A good run.
Dude, there's Espinas.
So, you know, Beau Belga and Gabby Espinas used to play together, and look at him having a hard time in the cones, and he missed the layup. Got the rebound. Nice. Good rhythm, but
ayaw ibigay. Wala na, mukhang na.
Tayo ng problema nito. Yun.
Talaga, big time.
So Beau Belga wins it. Wow, that guy can dribble. Really lucky. Espinas lost the ball, lost the handle in the last part, but hey, it's an interesting sport. The obstacle challenge was quite fun. I think they should do this every year for big men and make it harder next time.
Kaya dapat pala talaga
30,000 first prize. Yeah, well deserved, Beau.
Tapos sila yung halos ang monitor natin.
So, well deserved 30,000 for Beau Belga.